I don't think I realized until I actually went to the Safe Patient Handling Conference in Florida. And at that point in time, and I do remember kind of being in the airport and I had to pay extra money for my bag, which was loaded with books from this training conference on safe patient handling that I could barely lift the suitcase myself. And when I brought it in, I had to pay an extra fee because it was 100 pounds, which meant that the baggage handlers had to have an extra person to actually lift my bag. And in healthcare, we ask our staff to do that time and time again. Oh, she's only 100 pounds. The resident's only 100 pounds. I mean, it was one of those aha moments, I guess you would say, that you're thinking what we're doing is not right. And I think that really changed my perspective of what a safe patient handling program could do for our employees, our staff, the home, and our residents.